To convert SketchUp SKP model to any file version, especially the older ones, like SketchUp 3, SketchUp 4, or SketchUp 5, please download and install AutoConverter software, freely available from the product web page. Then, please click on the Open ribbon button, and navigate to your SKP file location, and load your SKP model into AutoConverter model space. Then, please click on the Save as ribbon button, and select SketchUp SKP file filter. Then, please specify your unique file name, and click on the Save button. When the SKP file version dialog box shows up, please select your SKP file version, and press OK button, to save your SKP model into desired file version. You can save your SKP model from file version 3 to the most recent, 2019. To download and evaluate AutoConverter software for free during the first 2 evaluation days, please visit our website at www.automapkey.com. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.